there, Meowie and Wowie. Shh. Is Meowie asleep? Oh, she must be very tired. What are you up to, Wowie? Wowie? Oh, Wowie, you know Meowie is gonna get angry now. Yuck! What's that? So many yummy treats! What are we up to today? Oh, you are good at crushing biscuits, Wowie! Yummy, yummy! Way to go, Wowie! Good job! Hello there, Meowie. Ready to help Wowie? Oh, look! Sprinkles! Yummy, yummy! Oh no! You've wasted all the sprinkles! And Meowie is very, very angry. It's okay, guys. Okay, let's continue, come on. We have to finish off these Christmas chocolate balls. Come on, get working. That's right, guys. Teamwork makes the dream work. This looks delicious. Oh wow! That is one gigantic chocolate ball! Come on! Let's get rolling! What are you doing, Wowie? Yuck! We surely ain't gonna eat that. have one, Meowie and Wowie. Are you seriously gonna eat them all? Oh wow, look at you and your tummies. You're about to explode. Okay guys, I think it's time to go now. Bye bye Meowie, bye bye Wowie, and remember, subscribe!